Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word personage. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The actor arrived at the premiere in a personage befitting his status as a Hollywood star. Personage refers to a person of distinction or importance, often seen as possessing a certain level of status or authority in society. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.